So, good day everyone, this is Ezekiel again, and in this video I want to teach you how to use Canva briefly. So Canva is actually very easy to use, and I'm going to show you how to use Canva. So open your browser and go to canva.com. So on Canva you can do a lot of things, and I'm going to even show you how to get low content book interiors. Okay, but first let me just show you how to use Canva. So Canva is used for creating and designing, or designing and creating presentations, videos, posters, and a lot of things like that. You see that that's what I use. Can you see? That's what I use. So there are a lot of things you can do with Canva. You can also do logos, Facebook posts, flyers, Instagram stories, etc. So all you need to do is just click what you want to do, maybe Instagram story, your story, blah blah blah. But let's just create a blank, okay, let's just Instagram story, so I can explain some things to you. So Canva has lots of templates. Can you see lots of beautiful, wonderful templates? So once you see Pro like this, that means you need to use the paid version. So don't worry about that one. There are also so many beautiful designs that you can get for free. So let's go to element. So that was templates. And in case you don't understand what template means already created designs. So can you see? So can you see? These are elements, shapes and lines, graphics that you can use. Can you see? Graphics that you can use. Then photos and videos that you can also use. Frames. So these frames, all you need to do is just click them. Then you can put photos in them. Then this is uploads, where you can upload images and videos. Then this is text. So for text, like to add any text to your design, this is where you go to. And these are projects, where you'll be able to see all the projects that you've worked on. So let's go back to templates, and let's just quickly use a template. So can you see how easy that is, or that was? Just very easy, and you can edit it. You can change the size. This is font size. You can reduce it or increase it. You can reduce it, can you see, or increase it. Then you can change the font family here. Just give it a minute, let it load. Can you see? You can change the font family here. You can try this one. You can try something else. So just give it a minute. So can you see? That's very bad. So let's just take it back to the one that it was before. So imagine I want to add a new font or a new text. I'll just come here, text, drag and drop. So it's not compulsory drag and drop. You can just click. Can you see? Then you can add the text you want. Pa, 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 pa. So you can see that it's black. So you can come here, text color, change the color to white. So can you see? So like I said, you can reduce the font. Just click here. You can reduce it. That's too small. Can you see? So you can drag it and put it in the middle. You can also change the font family here. So can you see? You can just play around with it and find the specific font that you like. So you can make it bold or not bold. You can make it some like cursive, they call it italics, or not. You can put it, okay, it won't show here, but if I increase it like this, can you see? So this is alignment to the, this one is already to the right hand side, and this one is center, this one is the left hand side, and this is justified. So you can also make a list, and you can also increase the spacing. So it's actually very easy to use, very easy to use. So this one, all I have to do is just put the price. So they've already done everything for us. You can also, sorry. So that's the thing about Canva. It's just so easy to use. So easy to use. So you can also change the font. Can you see? Let's say 10,000. You can also change the font to make it bigger, or change the color to make it more visible. So you can play around with it. It's very easy to use. So that's all about just explaining briefly how to use Canva. Canva is actually very easy to use. All you have to do is just play around with it a couple of times and you keep getting better at it. So in the next video, I'll be teaching you how to design book covers. It's actually very easy. Book cover design is very easy. So thank you. This is Ezekiel.